Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how we can make money on Binance with this simple strategy. Alright, before I dive into this simple strategy, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do what to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and as well share my videos, okay? So all you just need to do is to make sure you have a verified Binance account. And if you are using Bybit, you can also do this as well. And this strategy is going to be executed on BTC, which is the superior of all coins. Okay, so all you just need to do is like navigate yourself to this very spot trading, or just click on trade. So clicking on the spot, you're going to go into check to choose BTC. At least if it's not showing automatically here, you're going to go into click on this little arrow to make a choice. Okay, you click on this little arrow and a lot of those coins will pop up. Then you will make a choice. You can either do it by searching or any other ways. Okay, so you're going to go into click on here, these candles. You will click on those candles in order for you to see the chart. Now this is the chart. So if this is your first time on this chart, it's going to show you something of this very nature, which you are not going to quickly cope with it. You're going to click on 15 minutes. Currently some time, so you click on 15 minutes. Okay, let's click on 15 minutes and see the candles. Now these are the candles. Okay, now these are the candles. All this you're saying this green, red, green and red, green and red, green and red is the candles. Okay, green shows positive movement, while the red shows negative movement. Green shows upward trends, while the red shows downward trends. These are the difference of those two candles. Okay, if you look at it carefully, even without explanation, you exactly know, because the moment is taking the red, you see that your fund, if you're on the trade, you see that your fund is decreasing. At the moment it's taking the green, you see that your fund will be increasing. It's very simple. So okay, I say, how would you be able now to earn fund from this very trade? How would you earn profit from this very trade? So all you just need to do, even without looking at the Bollinger Band and the others, do not stress yourself for that. You're going to go into look at the previous trading carefully. Okay, carefully, you're going to go into look at the previous trading. How has it been doing in the past few days or in the past few hours? All right, looking at this movement 62 to this 61.7, what was the difference? Now look at this, from 67.2 down to here, down to 61,700. That's down to 61.7. Okay, what was their intervals? How many minutes or how many hours does this happen? Then let me take you backward again. You're going to look at here again, from here. Now you look at from this 60, right, which has taken upward trend, from this 60 to this 62, which has taken upward trend. How many minutes or how many interval or how many hours? This is what we'll be looking at, because it hadn't been you stick from here with like 50, yeah, just take little with like 50 USD, and it has taken this 62, you automatically get 70 plus. You automatically get 70 above, which is roughly you have made 25 USDT in profit. So let me check how long those intervals, how long was that? So you're going to go into click on here. If you click on this candle, you're going to go into long press. Don't just click, just long press on that candle. It opens at what? At that 60. I'm just showing you here. It opens at 60, right? So you just take a look at it carefully. I cannot really mark it. It opens at 60, No, here opens at 61. Oh, let me take this back. It opens at 60. You can take a look at it very carefully. It went high to 6152, low at what? All right. So what I'm interested in this very place is the time. Let me look at the time, right? The time here was started at when? At what time? Started at 3:30. Okay. Let me see here. How many minutes does it move? And up and down, up and down, up and down till 9. Wow. Within an hour. Okay. It's take its highest by 9, which is what? 3 to 9, which is roughly 6 hours. 6 hours. Right? This is 6 hours. Okay. Let me go back again. And from there, it started taking low, 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 downward trends. It moved to 61 and take up again to 62. Okay, let me see what the serious downward move was it here. So from 62, take a downward trend. So you can now see, you can now take your trade now from this 61.7, right? From this 61.7. Still again, let me check how many minutes. What was the interval? What was the what was the interval? This showed me that this going down from 2 and 9 again. You see, 2 to 9. This difference now is 7 hours. You can see. So all you just need to do is to go through like all these ones carefully. Go through all those ones carefully and see how you can move on with this. So on this now, you can pick a trade from 61.7 as well. You can pick a trade from what? From 61.7. So from this place to this place, you have made another 25 USD. Continue doing this often and often. You will make not less than 300 USD a day. So all you just need to do is that since you don't know the specific time it will be declining, do not be greedy. The moment you see that you are in profit, all you just need to do is to go out of the trade. Okay, all you just need to do is to go out of the trade and take off your profit. And join again when you are assured of the movement. All you just need to do is to be looking at the hours, be looking at the time frame is very important. The time frame is very what? Is very important. So this one now still 61.7. So you can see that its range has been moving now from 61.7 to 62 above. Right? You can see this again from 9 and when they take on to 2 again. You can see this is within 6 and 7 hours. Within 6 and what? And 7 hours. This is when this trade has been going down, has been going on. And it's been taking its movement from 61 to what? To 62 and above. You can see. So at this junction now, this is always also another point to take up a trade. Okay, to take up a trade. So all you just need to do is to make your research carefully, follow those things up like carefully and often, so that you can really know when to enter this trade and when to sell this, when to go out of this trade. All right, as you all know, you can also always comes to buy. You can always come to buy and sell. Right, this is a current trade of which it has taken from 61.7. It's already trying to move or trying to do well, but you can still look at those candles carefully in order for you to really understand the directions of this very trade. Okay, so thank you so much. If you do have any question, drop it at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. I'll show you that if you follow this strategy, you're going to make a lot of profit from this. Okay, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.